Hello everyone. I just want to show you guys. This is Bruce Park, the beautiful Bruce Park with a beautiful weather right now. I am here after work just to relax. Relaxing with this kind of weather. You will amaze how beautiful this park is. Look at the water. It's very quiet. The trees are green. There's a lot of people coming here, walking, relaxing, sitting on one of the benches right here, like what I'm doing right now. But of course, guys, I just want you to see this beautiful place. I hope you like it. I have more parks to show you guys. I'm here. Thank you for watching after work.